Welcome to Project Zero of EDX course Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. This is the index homepage. This project is about Manchester United. This over here gives a brief description, and we can click here, and it will take you to the About page. Also, you can go to the About page via these buttons, and there are two more options. One is about the Manchester United squad, and one is about Old Trafford. So going one by one, since we are already on the home page, this is going to do nothing. About page will open the about page on a new page. All these contents are hyperlinked to the respective topics. This is done using a list, and for example, we click on this, it will go down to the topic on which we clicked, and all this is even page responsive. As we shrink down the size, the kids keep on going down. So apart from that, this is a vertical image which can be scrolled left and right to get the whole view, and then this is a table that is used to represent the sponsorship, and this is a link to the online website. This will go on to for further information. Apart from that, coming back to the home page, we have another button which is the contact button, which is present even on the about page. So if we click on contact, it will open a new page and it will give the description, and all these are hyperlinked to go to the social media websites. So on clicking this, it will take me to the Instagram page, and this is how it is. And apart from that, coming back to the home page, on clicking the 2019 and 20 squad, this will open up this page which shows the list of the Manchester United players. Also, for further details, one can hover over the player or the manager, and it will flip around and it will show the nationality and age. Similarly, you can do for any of the following players. Also, with the nationality, they have the logo of their country flag over here, and it is valid for all the players. So also on the home page, the other link is to Old Trafford, and on clicking this, it will take you to the about page, and in the about page, it will directly take you to the Old Trafford section. So as you can see, it has come to Old Trafford in the about page, as you can see over here, and on clicking here also it takes you to the about page. So this is the basic representation of the HTML that I have learnt. Also, another thing is that this top header is also page responsive. So for example, as you shrink down, after a certain period, the written Manchester United disappears, and what's left is just the Manchester United logo and these three options. So that is another page responsive media query that I added. Thank you.